Good beautiful afternoon. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm going to use my Aldi laminator to laminate some of these leaves that I have over here where you can't see, but you'll see them in a minute. I gotta get my little pouch open and we'll get some in there. It's always kind of difficult to get them not to fall out. And I'm hoping I can capture their colors just as they are right now. I've got one giant maple leaf that I'll have to do separately, I guess. Yeah, these are pretty, and you'll see them in a minute. I've got them all in here, and as soon as that's ready, I will come back and we'll try to get it through without any issues. Sometimes they get stuck and crumpled. Alright, so I think you can see that this is lit up. I don't know if you can, maybe you can't. I don't know, but it's lit up and ready to go. So we're going to just try to guide it through as best we can and hope it doesn't crumple up. Nope, it's coming through, so that's a good sign. And then I'll just fussy cut them out and use them in my journals, or in a previous video I made a leaf garland with them. I was trying to capture their brilliant red of these leaves, but as we can see, this one started turning brown. These are too close together, so I'm probably going to have to cut them out as one piece. We got that. And now I got my maple leaf, which I'm just going to move this over for a minute. I also remembered I had some smaller maple leaves, so hopefully I can put them all on here. Yeah, maybe. Probably not all of them, actually. Okay, we got that. And that. Maybe, actually, maybe we can. And then I have this one. So if I think we can fit them all. Try to leave space, but you know they move. And like these two here, it's the stems. This one's not in. Maybe I'll take the stem off of this one, or shorten it anyway. Yeah. Now I gotta get back in there. It doesn't want to open up. I just thought the colors were so pretty on these. They do slip somewhat if you move them around too much. Let's go. I got this from Aldi's a couple of years ago. This one's a little bit crumbled, but I think it's okay. Alright, I'm going to turn it off, and it worked. It's a little bit crumbled right here, but not majorly, not a big deal. So I'll fussy cut these out, and when I will show you how they look. So I have cut one of these out, and I left a spot here so I can punch a hole in there if I want to make something interactive for my journal. And I can show you an example of that in a second, but let's cut another one out. I thought I was filming before, and I was not. I don't know how that happened, but anyway, we'll do this, and got to make sure you're not too close to the leaf. I've done that before, and I'll leave a little space up here for another interactive piece if I want. And whoops. Okay, so I'm going to cut the rest of these offline, and I'll get my other journal to show you the example of what I was talking about. Alright, so this was my fall journal from last year, and this was when I was still dedicating seasons to one journal, and I've quit doing that, but I regretted not putting more beads on here. I remember that. I didn't like the spine. But let's see what I can... Oh, see right here. Very first page. I put a brad in there, and now I have a picture, but I can move this out of the way to see the picture. And I'm sure I have... Oh, I just made more of these this year. They're on my table, but like right here. See? I think I had some big ones here. Where is it? Oh, here we go. There's my dog Dobby. Oh, look how cute he is. And so if you don't want to like just glue them down, it's because you have something pretty behind it or something cute behind it. You don't have to do it. So that's how I did that. And there's a full flip through of this on my channel if you're interested in seeing that. Well, here are all my leaves. And as you can see, I did leave some spaces in most of them. Some I forgot. This one I figured I could put right in the middle because these were so close together. There's a little spot there. I forgot to leave one for this one. Am I not getting you on camera properly? Anyway, there's that one. And then I have these three little maple leaves. And the big one. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, I'm so happy. And if you would like to see some of my other stuff, go ahead and look around on my channel. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time.